Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
You've been looking for someone who brings you breakfast in bed and doesn't mess with your head. No, but you don't answer to no one. Yeah, cause you got way too many scars from people tearing you apart. No, you think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me. No, I will love you right back and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back. You don't wanna be left out. You wanna feel something real with someone who knows what you need. But I know that these days it ain't always easy to get what you're looking for. Yeah. You think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me. No, I will love you right back and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back. I will love you right back and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back. You've been looking for someone who brings you breakfast in bed and doesn't mess with your head. No, but you don't answer to no one.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by MYFIRSTWIG. Shout out to you, MYFIRSTWIG, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So, yeah y'all, the unit that they sent me is their, okay, they got on here, they got a little paper. You guys know I love me a paper, honey, okay? So it says name is LFW016. The order number is B847. The texture is Yaki. The length is 18. The hair color is natural hair color. The cap size is 2, which is the circumference of 22.5 to 23, which is their average cap size or medium. The cap construction is a 13x6 lace front wig. It's HD lace, and the lace color is light brown. All right, y'all. So let me go ahead and tell you guys, I don't know what I'm going to have in the title. I don't know what my doggone thumbnail looks like. It probably says something like glueless, okay? And old girl is glueless. Like, Like, child, I ain't use no glue on them, okay? And I also want to go ahead and say, like, I didn't use any spray across the top. Now, you guys know, if you watch me, honey, I be having to spray down here around these gels, okay? I can't do nothing about that. That's just how God made me, okay, girl? But literally right here all the way to here, okay, on both sides, there is nothing. Like, okay, there's nothing there, okay? It's not laid down. And I feel like that's a me problem because I feel like a lot of people are able to put their units glueless, and I don't know if it's just something that I'm missing or if it is just because my ears are so big. But I want to throw it out there because I feel like this unit can definitely be worn glueless. Like a lot of my little cousins, they got little bitty ears. I feel like I could have slapped this thing on and it would have laid down completely on them. But with me and this problem I got right here, honey, she ain't doing none of the things. So I did decide to spray it right here on both sides, like right there, to make sure I laid that part down. And hopefully I showed you guys that while I was doing it. But yeah, everything else, honey, oh girl, is glueless. I mean, well, she's completely glueless. But the rest of it's completely sprayless too. So I want to throw it out there. As far as shedding and tangling, honey, I ain't noticed none of the things with her. This is a Yaki texture. You guys know I love a Yaki texture, and I also know you guys love a Yaki texture. So they did have a silkier option, if I'm not mistaken. And I was like, girl, my girls love the Yaki. Do you have the Yaki? Okay, send me the Yaki. We love the Yaki over here. So they did send me the Yaki texture, and y'all, it is like serving blowout vibes, honey. Like, girl. Okay, so no shedding, no tangling. As far as the cap size, I do feel like this unit is big head friendly. I don't know if you can get it in a bigger size, but I do personally feel like this one is big head friendly. I did adjust the straps with this one, and it does also come with one of those elastic bands, and it's the adjustable kind with the bra straps. Here, I'm calling bra straps, okay? I don't know what else to call them. They got the bra straps on the back. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all. So, although they say on my card there's a 13 by 6, like the 6 is just right here in this general area. You know what I mean? Like, you can go all the way back right here, but on the sides you cannot. So that'll be a con for me. I have had units where it was like no weft on the side. So for me, that would be the one and only con that I could think of with this unit. It's really not a big con, only because you do get that 6 inches right here. You just don't get it all the way on the side. So that is a con for me. You guys know I gotta give you a con, honey. I gotta throw it out there, let you know a little something. So that's the con. Boop. Okay, so in my opinion, the pros with this wig is completely endless, girl. First of all, the texture is life. Like, the texture is everything with this unit. The hairline is life, honey. It is everything. I did not have to bleach this unit. I did not have to tweeze this unit. I didn't have to nothing put old girl on. So this is beginner friendly, lazy girl friendly at its finest, honey. Like I said, the only thing I had to do was spray down the sides. That's it. That's all. Okay. I didn't do anything else to this wig. So to me, this wig is like the ultimate beginner friendly, lazy girl friendly wig. So those are the pros with this unit. Did I say the texture? Did I say the texture was life? If I didn't, let me throw it out there again. The texture is life, girl. It just is. Alright, so would I recommend this unit? Obviously, I would. I do feel like I said, it's the ultimate beginner-friendly unit, and I do feel like it just gives a complete natural vibe that you can't get with a lot of units, especially, you know, like black girl-friendly, honey, girl, okay? This unit is black girl, natural hair vibes, in my opinion. So, yeah, I would definitely, honey, definitely recommend this wig. 110,000%, okay? She would. Alright, honey, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing up. Now, when you get to the back, honey, you're going to see me with something else on because, honey, I ain't trying to have my rolls out, and I didn't put on my thing in the back. I didn't put on my, what is this thing called? Like a, what do they call them things? It's like an undershirt, but it's not a shirt. It's like a bralette. I didn't put on my bralette, so yeah, I'm going to put on a shirt so you guys can see the length of the back, but it's going to look completely different than it looks right now. So that's my disclaimer, okay? So obviously this is the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. Uh-oh. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Child, my robe been out this whole time. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is where it comes to me on the right side. If my robe was sticking out this whole time, y'all, I apologize. Honey, don't judge me. We human over here. So yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if it's your cup of tea. Let me know down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, MYFIRSTWIG, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.